Hello everyone, this is Noah with Save Green here, and today we're going to analyze T-Mobile's prepaid offer. And as you can see here on the screen, they're offering you 10 gigabytes of 4G LTE data for only $40 a month. Now, there are a couple things you need to look at before you run to the store and sign up for $40 a month for 10 gigs of data. And that is what you see here: taxes and fees. So from looking around and researching and asking, the average that you would end up paying after taxes and fees is about $48 to $50. So keep that in mind. And another thing you need to look at is if you call across the border, as you can see here, you will have to add that to the $40 for $5 a month. Now you're going to be maybe around the $53, $54 range for prepaid that's giving you 10 gigs of 4G LTE data. I'll show you the fine print on their T-Mobile One, which is their program, no credit check. You would also have to put in a deposit. I don't know. They're not putting it in here how much, but you do have to pay $25 for a SIM starter kit. And if you want to go ahead and read all the fine print, there's a lot of reading there for you to do. But the reason why I bring that up, including the $25 you would have to pay for that little SIM card, which is a little bit excessive, is if you look at Mint Mobile, it's a prepaid carrier and they're using T-Mobile's network. Now, if we did an apples to apples, which is 10 gigabyte plan of 4G LTE, they're charging you $25 a month, whereas here you are paying $45 plus tax and fees. So here we are, $40 a month plus tax and fees, and then tag on another $5 if you call to Canada or Mexico. So there's the bottom line with that. Now going back to Mint Mobile, they are using T-Mobile's network, and you're going to spend about half of what you would pay with T-Mobile. Same coverage, same network, same amount of data, which is 10 gigs, for half the price. And here's a nice thing: they will send you the free SIM card, and they even tell you there's some carriers charge for this. T-Mobile's charging $25, ridiculous. But anyway, they'll send that to you for free. And what I'll do is down at the bottom on the description, I will put a link where you can actually have the SIM card delivered for free. It'll give you expedited delivery. I'll give you a promo code in there and you will get it delivered for free, expedited, which is a 2 to 3 day priority from what our feedback has been. So you will get 2 to 3 day priority mail free, giving you 10 gigs of data. It's really a no-brainer. Another thing that they will do for you is they will give you a free trial for 7 days. So once you get the SIM card in the mail, pop it in your phone, try it out for 7 days. Here you go. Choose any of our plans. If you're not 100% stoked, you can return it within 7 days for a full, complete refund. And they'll tell you there, 7-day money back guarantee. So you really have nothing to lose and to sign up for Mint Mobile. And here we go. Let's say you're paying $54. That's for the 10 gig plan with T-Mobile that includes calls over the border, north and south of the border. You would be saving with Mint Mobile $348 a year. Now think about that for a minute. That's almost $350 a year. Every year you can turn around and take the phone that you have right now and upgrade it, spend another $350 and upgrade your phone without having to get into any contract or plans or anything that's tying you down or holding you down to a wireless carrier. And the thing with Mint Mobile, though, they have plans as low as $15, as you can see here. But the thing with Mint Mobile is you can just pay it off in 1 year, and that's how you get your discounted pricing. So they'll give you for the first 3 months, as you can see here, regular 3-month price. These prices whether you want 2 gigs, 5 gigs, or 10 for that amount. They're $75, $60, or $45. After your 3 months are up, then they'll give you the option to go 6-month plan, meaning that you'll have to pay it all at once and for 6 months, but you'll have 6 months of coverage. Or if you wanted even the best deal, the best bang for your buck, pay it off 1 year in advance, and you would pay $300 for this plan here, which is the one we were comparing. But you're still going to spend $300 plus less than you would pay T-Mobile for that same year. So, folks, it's really a no-brainer. Again, look at the bottom of my description, and you will see the link there with the special promo code so you can get it delivered to you priority and for free as well. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here.